Okay, I'm going to show you how to draw a balcony. So basically a balcony is just another, it's just another building that's attached to the side, okay? Now if you were to rip that building off, it would leave a mark on the side of the building, okay? So what you're going to be doing is drawing that mark first. Since the mark's on the right side, these lines go to the right point, okay? Now then you're going to draw poles that stick out. So if I push this through, you can see these poles here. Okay, they are sticking out right here. They would go back to the vanishing point on the opposite side. Okay, so let's see that in a drawing form right here. So here's my drawing. I'll just bring it up just a tad. And here, let's say I put a balcony right here. This is on the right side, so it goes to the right point. So it's going like this. Okay, now those poles, I come from this point over here, and I draw a pole that comes out right here. Boom. Pole, boom, 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 and I got these poles that are sticking out, okay? Now, if I'm gonna connect this straight up. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw this back to my vanishing point, and it's gonna hit this line right here. Then I draw that straight up, and then I connect here. So I have like a little box that's sticking out, okay? So I'm gonna erase some of these other lines that are a little confusing. Oop, I erased the wrong ones. Did I erase the wrong ones? No, I did the right ones. Okay, so I'm going to erase these other lines that are a little confusing. Now, on this balcony here, you can see this is the bottom of the balcony. Okay, so that's right there. All right, and if you want to put railings on here, you just put little lines like this, and there you go, and you got your little balcony with the little railings. Okay, now that balcony happens to be above your eye level. Remember, your eye level is about right here. Now, if I was to draw a balcony right here, here's the part that it's attached to. Okay, now this is where it's a little confusing. I draw the poles coming from this side, and these poles are almost in line with the lines that I already have. That's where it gets confusing. So now, this is the side, just like up here. Now this goes back to that point. It hits here, and this is here. So this is the confusing part. This balcony, I cannot see the bottom because it's right at eye level. So here's the little poles on this balcony. There you go. Now, if I was to put a balcony on the bottom here, I'm going to draw where it goes. Now these poles, since it's low, they come from this point. They're going to stick out like this time. They're actually going to go down a little bit. So this one, I can actually see into my balcony. I guess you'd call this a deck. So maybe I get rid of these lines like this and that line. And now I've got this little deck that's on the surface of the ground here, okay? Now, that's how you make balconies. You draw the box on the wall and you have those poles extending out and you do the balcony, okay? Do that, and then we're gonna get on how to put an addition